Well, hello there, welcome back to the channel. And if you are a new visitor, I'm Jacqueline Marie. In today's video, we're going to do a shopping haul for Easter and spring. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I have is this wood wreath that I bought at Michael's a few years ago, and I usually use it to make different wreaths. So, and I got this beautiful garland at Hobby Lobby, and everything at Hobby Lobby was 40% off when I went to purchase all these items. So I love the vibrant color of these yellow forsythias. It reminds me the forsythia bushes that I had in my house in Maryland. So, and I also bought this, it's all about color. I bought all this fuchsia ribbon to make a beautiful bow to complement this color. It's very unexpected combination, but I think it will look fantastic on the front door. This ribbon is from Walmart, and it was pretty inexpensive. I think I paid like $4. So I think I'm going to make a beautiful bow to complement that, and I'm going to try to make another video where I'm going to make the wreath so you can see how easy and inexpensive it is to make a wreath that it will look beautiful and very unique. So other things that I got at Hobby Lobby were these carol picks that I think either, I'm not sure if I'm going to use it on the wreath or inside the house, but they were beautiful. And everything again was 40% off. Another item that I bought at Hobby Lobby were these carrots in metal, and then I'm going to put them scattered around the front lawn. I think it's going to look very cute with the combination of the forsythia wreath and these cute carrots. I couldn't resist buying them, they were so cute. So I bought 3 of them. I bought 3 of them, so I'm going to scatter them around the front lawn. So I think it's going to look very, very cute. Other things that I bought at Hobby Lobby were these very cute miniature carrots in velvet. They're adorable, and I think they will look cute in a centerpiece inside the house. I bought this very cute bunny, chocolate bunny. I'm kind of getting a collection of bunnies, different colors, sizes, and shapes. And other thing, miscellaneous, I bought this scoop to put on my sugar container. This was also 40% off. And last but not least, from Hobby Lobby was this very cute clover flower arrangement that I'm going to probably use it inside for the St. Patrick's Day decor. So I bought a few things for St. Patrick's. I don't go overboard decorating for St. Patrick's, but we always like to celebrate the Irish St. Patrick's Day holiday. So this was very cute, kind of rustic. So I love them, the little flowers and the clover. So that's it for Hobby Lobby. Then we're going to move now to see what I got at Target. At Target, I only got a few, only one item. I found on the dollar section at Target this very cute bunny in blue, and it will complement, you know, the blue walls that I have and the blue decor that I have in the main areas of the house. So it's very, very cute. And last, we got a few things at Walmart. I got for St. Patrick's Day this clover branch, and unfortunately that was the only one left. So I'm going to use it to decorate for St. Patrick's Day together with the other things that I have for St. Patrick's, but it was very cute and realistic. So I think they will look very cute. And I also bought at Walmart these very cute baby's breath bunches. I bought 3 of them to decorate for spring, and also I might put them also for St. Patrick's Day because it's kind of neutral and it has the green that complements the green clover. And I got I got 3 branches of those, so I think they look very cute. They shed a little bit, so you have to be careful because they shed like a white powder. So then I also got at Walmart this adorable bunny. I usually have bunnies like standing or hopping, but I got this bunny that is sitting down, and I love how it looks. I think it's going to complement very nicely with all the decor that I have. So see how they look together with these ones. So I think they're adorable. And one more thing that I got at the Dollar Tree store was my gel cleans for St. Patrick's Day. I didn't see the gel cleans for Easter, but I think I saved the one from last year. So this one will go in the front window by the porch. And last but not least, I got these very cute carrots. They're made in cloth at the Dollar Tree store, also to decorate around the house. So my friends, this is everything that I got. Only a few things because I have enough to decorate for the season and I don't want to go overboard. And I'm trying to, be a minimalist this year. This is my word for this year because we don't have too much storage in this new home because we don't have a basement. And I feel that we're having less things. We have less clutter and it's so easy to clean the house and to maintain the house organized, including the closet, the drawers, everything. I think you feel relief when you get rid of all that clutter and excess of things that you have. So with that said, this is it for now. I hope that you join me next time. I'm going to make another video on how to make the wreath for the front porch, and I hope that you join me to see how beautiful these unexpected colors look together. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you are a new visitor, I hope that you take some time to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will not miss the upcoming episodes. I'm Jacqueline Marie and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. See you in the next one.